Warren County. He's accused of beating his 15-month-old son to death. Well, today, police officers who interviewed Waite after the incident took the stand. And Pat Bailey has been following the trial for us. He joins us live in Queensbury tonight to tell us what those police officers said. Pat?
Well, Liz, that's right. In fact, several police officers took the stand today. One of them testified that Gary Waite gave several different stories to several different police officers the night that he was questioned about his son's death. And another police officer read one of the statements that Gary Waite gave to police that day. And inside that statement, he admitted to tossing his toddler against the couch and watching him fall, and also admitted to initially lying about that. In his statement to police, Gary Waite said his son, 15-month-old Jesse Smith, was sitting on the couch while Waite was doing the dishes. The statement says Waite heard a noise and noticed the toddler had fallen off the couch and hit his head. Waite says Smith then got up, walked across the room, and fell again on his own, hitting his head. According to his statement, when he couldn't get the child to stop crying, Waite, quote, tossed him to the other side of the couch where he fell off and hit his head. According to testimony, Gary Waite gave two statements to police that day, but in the first one, he left out the part where he tossed the child. In his second statement, where he admitted to it, Waite said he withheld the information because, quote, I thought it didn't hurt him. In that same statement, Waite later said, quote, I know now it did, and I feel like an expletive. According to the then Glens Falls investigator who testified Friday, Waite was arrested after the second statement was given. During cross-examination, Waite's attorney had a problem with two things. First, the fact his client had to give two statements, saying that is why there were inconsistencies. And the second, the fact that the interview was never video or audio recorded. The attorney argued that would have been the best and most accurate description of the statements Gary Waite could give police. Also on the witness stand later on in the afternoon, several forensics teams from the New York State Police Department. One of them testified that a sweatshirt that was found inside Gary Waite's apartment contained the blood of his toddler son. And another one testified that there was no blood found on a chair with metal legs. And all along, that's what Gary Waite's been saying, is that his toddler son tripped and fell and hit his head on a metal leg, and that there would have been blood on that leg. But the forensics expert said, testifying, saying that there was no blood found on the leg of that chair or on the rug around that chair. Obviously, the trial is wrapped up for the day, and it will continue on Monday. Live in Warren County tonight, Pat Bailey, CBS 6 News.